Whenever you hear someone say red, this is what they imagine. And some think of this. And then these are the ones who think of this. That's interesting. But seriously, why are Ferraris red? Let's go back in time for that. Ferraris are a product from Italy. In the early 20th century, race car rallies had rules requiring each team to paint their vehicle in the national color. Green cars were painted in the United Kingdom, blue in France, and red in Italy. It is also to be noted that red is present in the Italian flag. Since the Ferrari team was more successful in racing, their red became their signature color and retained well in our memories. However, Ferrari now offers consumers over 30 distinct paint colors, ranging from silver, yellow, green, blue, black, white, and of course red. Despite that, if you ask a child to draw a car, he will certainly draw it red because of Ferrari.
Presenting the News app, available on Google Play and App Store. Download it now.